Hello everyone and welcome to Cloud Bridge. Today is Monday, 24th of July. Let's going to start with the dollar index. So, we mentioned previous weeks this level was the yearly low, which we broke it very strong, and the previous week I mentioned we have all this range here, and I was expecting personally a retracement to continue our downside move. So, for the moment, we are currently in that retracement for this huge range, and once we reach certain point, I am expecting some bearish moves. Currently, we are having some bullish opportunities, but for me, this is for the short term. Dollar index in 1 hour, as I mentioned, we are having currently a short term opportunity to the upside. We can see clearly a beautiful uptrend with highs, lows, and creating new highs. In 1 hour, it looks bullish, very nice. But as I said, we are currently in a retracement for a downside move. That's personally my opinion. Gold in daily. I mentioned personally, after breaking this level strongly as we did here, I was personally bullish with gold. So currently I am still bullish, that's my opinion. We are creating a retracement to continue the upside move for gold, okay? I don't see gold going to the downside for the moment. Gold in 1 hour. We can see here we are on an uptrend in 1 hour, creating this structural high to low to high. Okay, so we are currently, as I said, in daily in a retracement to continue the upside move. That's my opinion. We are currently starting Monday for the moment up, okay? So I believe we can close Monday to the upside. GBP, JPY, this pair I believe in the long term still bullish, okay? It's very strong. We mentioned we had a lot of bearish days and only 2 bullish days, but I said I believe GBP, JPY in the short term is going to be bearish, but long term I remain bullish. We closed Friday extremely strong to the upside after 4 bearish days in a row. So I believe we can have some bullish price action this week, maybe. GBP JPY in 1 hour. Currently, what I see, we were having a downtrend in the short term 1 hour, as we can see here, and Friday was absolutely bullish, breaking all these levels we created in 4 days. We smashed them in only 1 day. I can see with this price action that the bullish situation is probably strong this week. Euro USD in daily, opposite scenario of course than the dollar index. I mentioned we have this beautiful range over here. It is huge range, and we need to feel at least some kind of retracement in that range, okay? We cannot just go all the time up. So we are currently having a retracement to the downside, and I see Euro USD going to the upside again after having a retracement like this, okay? I am not really sure how long we can go to the downside after we have our support and go to the upside, but my hypothesis is that Euro USD in 1 hour, we can appreciate here our uptrend, big uptrend in daily, and the short-term downtrend we are having with bearish price action. We are starting Monday bearish, okay, extremely bearish. We had some interesting news in the morning that affected the euro today, okay? I see for the moment we're going to close bearish with Euro USD on Monday. That's my opinion. But in the long term, I remain bullish. GBP USD, of course, very similar situation than Euro USD, but with a slight difference. We are having more retracement over here with the GBP USD. We are having more downside move, and we are currently feeling this huge range over here. We are having more down days than the Euro USD, which I believe our bullish situation will be stronger when it happens with the GBP USD, okay? GBP USD, as we can see in 1 hour, we mentioned we are having our retracement to the downside, which is it's creating downside moves in 1 hour very nicely, okay? As we can see here, we didn't have the reaction to the downside on Monday because we didn't have yet extremely important news for the GBP. We had huge news for the euro, and we have huge news for the GBP at 10:30 New York time for today. Let's hope for the news of Monday, and after that we can probably have more details of if we're having a bullish or a bearish Monday. That's personally what I am waiting for. I hope you enjoy this. Have a nice trading week and be safe.